My dearest Chelsey, I would like to start off by telling you how proud I am to stand next to you on June 8th, 2018. You have become this elegant, inspiring, and strong young woman. Watching you flourish into the woman you are has created a love for you that is unmatched by any.
Callum, today I've loved you for 3,288 days. 9 years ago when you asked me to be your girlfriend, I knew one day I would be your wife. I've been planning this day since I was 14 years old, and I can't believe today is the day. It hasn't been easy, but every step it took to get here has been worth it. We have had 9 years of growing up, but we've never grown apart. I'm so proud of how far we have come and how much we have grown together.
I remember sitting in bed late at night praying to God. I barely believed in that one day I would marry you, and here we are. I also remember catching snowflakes in endless hours of Animal Crossing. You have always been my best friend. The one with my best interests at heart. I'm eternally grateful for you. I know at times I have neglected that fact, but I'm so happy we have moved forward.
In this happy occasion, as Callum Taylor and Chelsey Sinden join their lives together in marriage. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never fails. It is remembering to say I love you at least once a day. It is never going to sleep angry. It is at no time to take the other person for granted. And the courtship should not end with the honeymoon. It should continue through the years. Therefore, by the authority vested in me by the province of Ontario, I do now pronounce you as husband and wife. You may kiss your lovely bride.
Break a leg, I hope you're not let down. Bathtub freezing in a wedding gown. Prayerful hymns to the Lord above. Does he stay when he says he does? Does he stay when he says he does? Have you ever wondered how to love? When the rivers and the mountains speak, when I plead with you and they plead with me, mournful songs on the earth below, still candy clouds and the sunsets glow, candy clouds and the sunsets glow, but death seems heavier before you go. Stay with me, you're worth it. 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 If you ever decide to leave, I'll be there with you, you'll be there with me. Joyful songs make us feel alright, and you'll be dancing and shining. You'll be dancing and shining. Stay with me, you're worth it. 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 Stay with me, you're worth it.
Two events have happened in the last 3 years. I met Chelsey and Callum who became family to us. And that same day I realized that I will share Nicole with Chelsey for the rest of my life. Please take care of her. If I picked just one memory to share, I'd have to be our trip to Florida. When the ladies asked Callum and I why we were acting like Gavin and Travis and constantly talking like we were 4 years old, I knew we had something special. Not only has Callum become a brother to me, the groomsmen and wedding party became like family. And I'm appreciative to be standing beside some fine gentlemen. As we finish our speech here, I hand it back over to Nicole for some final last words.
Callum, a little tip for you. Hold your wife's hand in the mall, because if you let go, she'll start shopping. It looks romantic, but it's actually economic. Chelsey, a little tip for you. Marriage is not always 50-50. Some days you'll wake up and you may have to give 90% and your spouse will only give 10. But remember, Callum is like a flower. Keep him fed and watered and he'll blossom and grow. Congratulations. We love you guys. To a lifetime of happiness.
Down to the riverside.